auto insurance without license near me. Because of this, the majority of people are looking for ways to reduce their yearly car insurance rates. A lot have even tried to get in touch with local agents to obtain quotes from them. Unfortunately, contacting such agents takes up a lot of time since every one of them has to record all of your personal information before giving you a quote. If you choose to follow that particular route, you could end up wasting way too much time talking to secretaries and agents and not save much on that bill of yours. If getting in touch with agents does not seem to accomplish anything, it would be obvious that cruising the town to speak to them at their actual business places will not help much either. Naturally, that would take up hours of your time as well and will probably also result in nothing but meager savings. In fact, entire mornings could get used up, not to mention some petrol, and you might not end up saving anything on your annual coverage rates anyway. The easier way to cut down your costs of insurance would be to get car insurance rates from a huge company that markets lower rates. A lot of people have actually already saved tons of money by following this route. But since there is only a single company being dealt with, how will you know if this is the cheapest route? It is a fact that a lot of insurers exist in today's day and age, each of which may provide you with highly reduced car insurance rates in a progressive manner. But what guarantee could you have without calling them up at all? In normal circumstances, using the internet will only take around 8 whole minutes. Within these few minutes, you can expect to save lots of money on your car insurance rates, mitigated by your personal driving background and other important criteria. In the end, without a doubt, you will save loads. So what are you waiting for?